Amman has a population of 4 million people.
I've been holding on so tight, guess all that I do.
Amman is the capital of Jordan, the largest city in Jordan.
So call my time, but you weren't really mine.
Jordan has a population of 10 million people.
Thought I never knew.